Hello there. This is the second channel update I've done so far. And yes, hello to everyone who is watching this video and who is subscribed. Also, hello to the people in Antarctica. We commend you, we really do. But, anyways, I have put a poll out on the name of the new name I want to give this little fella. But only like 7 people so far has voted on it. So if any of you people see this video and you still want to vote, you're welcome to. I haven't yet renamed the moss ball, but for now let's just call him moss ball. But anyways, further channel updates is I am gonna really try and spice up the videos a little. The videos has been very blonde, I suppose. So I'll try a little bit with the thumbnails and try and make it theme specific more, especially the backdrop and the whole setting of the videos. But further also, we reached 20 more than 20 subs. So, woo! Yeah! Yay! Well, it's all thanks to you, 20, who has subbed. Whoever else is watching this, please do sub. I'll try and give you the best experience possible. And thank you out of the depth of my heart for all of my dear viewers. I really appreciate you all. And until the next video, cheerio.